Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the phenomenal women out there. Thank you, baby. So today I have the privilege of making some food with Azaria, who is my daughter. Today, what are we making, baby? Okay, so today, this is a meal prep video. So Azaria is going to be helping me.
Mama.
So what we're going to be doing?
This or thing.
Asparagus.
Yes, and I purchased one.
Asparagus.
Yeah.
And?
Carrot.
No, salmon.
Salmon.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do,
Yeah.
Azaria, don't touch. The first thing we're going to do is
Yeah.
we're going to prepare our asparagus.
Yep.
So what do we do, baby? Mommy's going to break this off.
Yeah.
So for those of you who may have never made asparagus or probably didn't know this, you definitely need to break off the bottom piece because it's very difficult to eat it if you don't. Put that back, baby. You're gonna put it on the pan, okay? So mommy's gonna break it and you're gonna line it up.
Here, Mama?
Yep, straight this way, baby, like this. So we already coated the pan with avocado oil spray. We're also using aluminum paper on the bottom. I usually use parchment, but unfortunately I'm out.
Mama, I can do that again.
Okay, so we've lined up all our asparagus on 2 separate trays. And what I like to do is add some garlic.
That better.
So this is about
Mama, first,
5 or
Mama,
6 garlic cloves chopped up. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some all over the asparagus. And I also added some olive oil. Mommy gonna do this part, okay? So just sprinkle it all over. This adds a kick of flavor. If you're a fan of garlic, you know what I mean. If you don't like garlic, you don't need to do this part. And then lastly, what I'm going to do is we're gonna add a little bit of, this is smoked garlic salt.
I put in that.
You're gonna help me do this. So just a little bit, shake it. Good job, babe. Okay, now this side, just a little bit. So I actually purchased this when I went to Louisville. This is from the Bourbon Barrel Wood Evan Williams.
Mama,
I'm pretty sure you can buy this online. This tastes phenomenal on
pretty
pretty much anything that you add it to. Okay, babe, what are we gonna do now? No, this is for the fish. So now we are going to put all this in the oven. Okay, so my oven is preset at 420 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna put these bad boys in for about, I would say 20 to 35 minutes.
Wait.
And then I'll bring them back out to show you once they're done. Okay, see you guys soon.
Bye. Mommy, you're not listening to me.
No, you're not listening to me.
No, you're not listening to me.
Who's running the show?
You.
Exactly. So you gotta listen to me. Welcome back.
Get back.
We are now doing the second step. So we have our asparagus in the oven, now roasting. We also have our basmati rice that is also cooking right now. So I put 2 cups of basmati rice to do our meal prep. And now before we marinate the fish, we're gonna go over each one of the seasoning that we will be using. Azaria, can you please show us the first one? So right here we have, show everybody in the camera. Okay, no, one by one, go like this. So now we have our garlic and herb spice from Longo's. We also have ginger powder. We have garlic powder. We have what I showed you guys earlier, the smoked garlic salt. Perfect. And we have the seafood rub for our salmon. We have black pepper. And lastly, we have our grapeseed oil. So what we will be doing, Azaria is going to help me. we're going to be placing 1 filet of salmon, 2 and 3 filet of salmon. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit, if you have olive oil too, or avocado oil, I'm adding just a little bit of grapeseed oil to the mix.
And then a butter.
Yes, open it for mommy.
Okay. Now order.
Yep, please put it all over. Good job. Okay, okay, that's enough. Next. Okay, this one please.
Let me put it in.
Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of garlic salt. Not too much, baby. Woo, that's a lot.
Sorry.
It's okay. Mommy's gonna put it on all of them. Okay, just a little bit, okay?
Wait, I want to put it, Mama.
Okay, now add this one. This is the garlic and herb. You gotta shake, baby.
Okay.
Okay, next, do the seafood, please.
Wait, Mama, I won't do it.
You gotta open this. Okay, this one. No, this one. This one.
This one? Okay.
Add this one, please. All over. Shake, shake, shake. Shake on this piece too. Okay, perfect. So this was the seafood one. Azaria, don't worry, we're gonna clean it up. Okay, so we mix it, spread it out, and flip it over.
Mama won't do it.
Okay, wait. Okay, I'm just gonna wash my hands. 1 second, baby. Mommy's gonna help you. Don't do that.
Mama, you're making big mess. Mama, I won't do this, okay?
Okay, so just a little bit of this one and a
Mama,
little
I won't
bit.
put it.
Okay, go. Of pepper. All right.
Put in this.
No, we already did that one. So now we're just gonna show them what it looks like.
Mama,
Okay.
wait.
And this is what our marinated salmon looks like. Okay, so we're gonna marinate all the rest of the pieces. I have a total of 8 pieces. We're gonna spread them out on a baking sheet and we're gonna put them in the oven as soon as the asparagus is finished. So stay tuned, we'll bring you back and show you what the next step looks like. Bye! Okay guys, welcome back. Wake up my little sous chef. Wait, we're gonna show them. So the asparagus is finished. We've prepared the salmon. I will show you all what the asparagus looks like.
Me too.
Touche pas, ça c'est chaud. Asparagus is complete.
Mama, let's see. Mama, let's see.
And now I've prepared the salmon. They're all laid out. I added some garlic onto it. And now I'm gonna put all the pieces in the oven again at 420 Fahrenheit, okay? I'll leave that in for about 10 minutes. And then so we'll leave that in for about 10 minutes. And then we will be separating all the meals because we are meal prepping today. So as you can see, I have 2 different types of containers. I use the bigger one for my husband. So I put the rice, the asparagus, and the salmon in these ones. And the smaller one is for myself. I'm currently on a meal plan, so I will be measuring my food and I will be placing them in containers so that I could just grab them and go on the day that I eat them. Okay?
Yeah.
So I will show you guys how I do that once the salmon is ready. So stay tuned for the final step. Right, Azaria?
Yeah.
Okay, see you guys soon. Okay, so as you can see, I've added the rice, asparagus in my meals. And now I will be adding the asparagus into hubby's meals. So really you just gotta section them off. Put about the same amount in each one. And there we go. Azaria's already eating what we'll be eating. I just gave her a little taste of it. So clearly from her reactions, you guys can see she loves it. So So there we go. Now we just gotta wait for the salmon to be ready, and then I will section off the salmon into all 8 of these Tupperwares. I'll come back and show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so the salmon is now ready. I've measured and portioned out mine. I'm only eating 100 grams of carbs. I'm eating 120 grams of veggies and 120 grams of protein. Now, hubby, here's the rest of the salmon. I will be placing them in his Tupperware. Like so. There is one more piece left on the pan. I will be adding it to both of these. So there we go, guys. Simple, easy, and very tasty meal prep for both my husband and I. This will last us for 4 days. So this is lunch for the next 4 days. And breakfast I make every single morning. And then I will prepare lettuce, shrimp for dinner, which we will eat Caesar salad and shrimp. So there you have it, guys. A very simple and easy meal prep recipe, a salmon, asparagus, and basmati rice. Thank you very much for joining me today. I wish you all a happy Mother's Day for those of you that are celebrating today. And I also wanted to say, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and to please try it and let me know what you think of this recipe. Have fun meal prepping, and I wish you all a fantastic week. Thank you for tuning in again. Bye now.